Hi guys, today we are looking into this AstroAI tire inflator, and it's not only a tire inflator for cars, it works also for motorcycle, for bikes, for scooters, for normal sports gear like balls. It has very high specs, so it has a large built-in battery, but we can also run it from 12 volt, like from the car cigarette lighter adapter. So for sure, very interesting device. So I'm going to take it out of the box and then test it in real life for you. And here's some highlights of this device. It has a large screen, has some smart preset modes which can be very helpful. So if you don't have any idea how much to fill, this can help a lot. And it comes with a rapid inflation of about 6 minutes for a full car tire. Of course, depending on the width, this is for a standard 185 millimeter tire. And it works also as a power bank. And here in the back, the technical specifications. Comes in a very beautiful box, so this could also be a really nice gift. And it comes also with a nice small instruction manual which explains everything, but it's not difficult to use and I'm going to explain most of it anyway. They have even their website and support information. And here's the device itself, quite a large device. Comes with a lot of protection here, but it's not only large and powerful, it's also very beautiful. Definitely the most beautiful tire inflator I've ever seen. You can see we can charge it with USB-C and then we can use it also as a power bank. We have even a built-in strong light. We can activate the steady light, or with another push we can activate the flashing light, and with another push we can activate the SOS, and with another push it will turn off. Very convenient. And on the other side we have the optional input from the car cigarette lighter, and on this side we have already the inflator hose. So this is really nice that it's already built in and nicely stored here. So for me also very good, very important innovation that we can store this easily here in the back. Use, store, super easy. Then we have the accessory box here. So we get this nice storage and carry bag. And here we get a lot of nozzles for different devices, different bikes and sports gears, and even an additional spare fuse. Very long 12 volt car cigarette lighter adapter and the normal USB-C charging cable. And here on top we have the control panel with a long press. Here we can turn it on. And so here on top we have the different presets. We start with the 8 psi for the volleyball, then 30 psi for bicycle, 32 psi for motorcycle, and 36 psi for normal regular car. And when we press again, we have these individual values which we can set with the plus and the minus. So for example, if we need something higher like 50 psi for an electric scooter, so we can set that here. And so it will always come back to the same settings, even the personal settings, 50 psi here. And with this awesome dual display here, we can not only see the target, but also the current pressure. I have never seen that before. Usually they are using just one display, so we have much better overview here. And when we are ready for the inflation, we can just start here and then manually stop, or it will stop when it has reached the target pressure. By the way, this valve fits to the standard shredder valves. If you don't like that, you can use also any other one. For example, you can buy such an extender or another adapter which has such a quick snap, fits absolutely perfect also here. But I think it's a really good idea to have this because there are quite some tires, especially small ones, for example, for electric scooters, where such a thing is not going to fit, and this fits almost everywhere. So I would say it's a really nice starter configuration. And so I've been outside now using it to inflate my electric scooter and my car. Yeah, you can definitely see that. And it worked really good. The inflation process was pretty fast. It was really accurate. There was no overheating, so I think the ventilation here and down here are working really good to keep it cool. And of course, like all other tire inflators, it's pretty loud, but it's not unbearable, so you don't have to wear like earplugs or so. So I think pretty cool device, I would say. Yeah, definitely the most beautiful battery operated tire inflator which I've ever seen. And I love how we can store the thing here inside, even though it comes just with this standard screw nozzle here. Of course, I prefer this one, but for a few bucks we can get either such an adapter or just a very short one. It comes with a large rechargeable battery. We have even a 12 volt as an alternate if you run out of power here inside from the rechargeable battery. We have even the light here in the front. So I would say it doesn't get much better than that. And it's a very beautiful device, so you can either buy it for you or make it as a gift for friends or family. And so I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.